Welcome to Frosio practical training session. The first session. Okay, in our exam we will have total 15 sessions. Every student has to the start. You can go any session, you can say. Maybe you can start session number 1, you can start session number 14 or 13 or 12, 9, whatever. Whatever the available session, you go to the place, open your exam paper, you can see the station number. Okay, accordingly you have to open the exam paper. Now you are going to start Frosio station number 1. Okay, in the station 1, it is very simple. I hope you are all inspectors. You know how to take environmental reading or ambient condition. What is the requirement for an inspector? Is it mandatory for blasting and coating? It may be a pre-treatment, it may be a surface operation, it may be a paint mixing or paint application. Is it mandatory to take ambient condition?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know what is the frequent time you have to take? How long you have to take the ambient condition? Every 4 hours. But you have to see your project specification. Some specification will say every 1 hour or 2 hours user specified. That means you have to follow. Don't think like, oh, already we learned every 4 hours. Before starting job and every 4 hours you have to take that is the rule of thumb in general. But still you have to see your project specification. Some specification will say before starting and every 1 hour or every 2 hours. Agree?
Yes.
Okay, what are all the important, in environmental, what are the important items you have to check first? Relative humidity, dew point temperature, substrate temperature, ambient temperature or air temperature or dry bulb temperature. Okay, so you cannot take directly relative humidity or dew point temperature. Okay, so you should have, first you have to take dry bulb and wet bulb temperature. What is the conventional easiest method so far in our industry? Whirling hygrometer. We have whirling hygrometer, we have sling psychrometer. It depends. In our exam, okay, you are going to see that whirling hygrometer. It contains 2 thermometers. There is 2 thermometers. The one is we assume as a dry bulb. The other one we assume as a wet bulb. How you can differentiate whether it is a dry or wet?
There is a wick in the bottom.
There